I'm working for Skelton Thomas Pipework Division, but other people know it as E.G Lewis Group. My role there is to carry out jobs which other tradesmen that can't do it, so I'm there to pick up the pieces really. I got into the area of work due to my uncle being my boss. He phoned me up one day seeing if I wanted an apprenticeship, and at the time I was out of work, so I said yeah, I'll have it. So I took the apprenticeship and this is where I am. The work I do in college gives me confidence to go back into work and carry out the same work as I do in college, I do in work. So it does help me a bit, yeah. My apprenticeship has helped me a lot. It's helped me realise it's not just like you're earning money just because you can. It's you're earning money because you've got a true skill, and if you're good at it, you can get places. The modules at a college are fairly hard, but with the right help and the right people, you'll get through it. Work, earning and learning has helped me a lot because I'm not really pen to paper, I'm more hands-on. So with the situation I'm in, we're more hands-on. I can go places with hands-on than I do pen to paper, so it has helped me a lot. The best thing about an apprenticeship is you're working, you're earning money and you're learning at the same time. I would 100% recommend one.